Today we are here again. We are here again. This is Engineer Kalinachi from Meditech Plumbing Solutions. We are located at Zana Roundabout, that's Entebbe Road, Uganda. Today we are here to explain how to thread a PPR pipe. I have been receiving several questions from different categories of people, plumbers and plumbers, asking me whether PPR pipes can be threaded. I'm here to answer your questions. But before that, please kindly share, like, follow to our YouTube channel. That's what we want from you. Yeah, we are here to show you how to thread a PPR pipe. What we need a pipe. It's here, it's PPR. We need pipe wrenches, have two pipe wrenches. Then we need a vinyl cutter. Please, if you don't have this vinyl cutter, you can use a hacksaw. It can also cut. What we need is to cut the pipe. Then you need a die stock set. This is a die stock set. It's a set like this one. So we shall need the die of 3/4. This is a die of 3/4, as you can see. This is how it looks. So have them there. Okay, let us start. What we shall do, I'll cut a small piece of pipe, this PPR pipe, which we shall thread. This is a vinyl cutter. This is what I'm going to use. Yeah, this is cutting, trying to cut, as you can see. Trying to cut. Yeah, cutting is finished. Then the die. Please, this is the side that enters the pipe. Don't use like this. Don't use like this. Please put the pipe inside here. Then try to thread. I'm threading, as you can see. It's threading. It's enjoyable, as you can see. It's easy, very easy. You can do it yourself. It's very easy. Yeah, as you can see, it has come out. Okay, I brought this because sometimes other pipes are a bit hard, but as it's not hard, you can see I've not used them. So I'm removing my pipe. Yeah, as you can see, these are our threads. Now, okay, as you can see them, so that we can use them to do our plumbing works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, follow. We meet again. Thank you.